Greetings, Earthlings! Happy New Year, y'all. This is Alan with EnviroMeasures, outstanding in the field with a teachable moment. We're actually out here in Arizona, and it snowed, and which means it froze. And we had a little disaster here with this 1,000-gallon tank. And whoever installed it installed one of these things on the outside of the bung. And unfortunately, the way this thing is set up, you can't really get the water out of it, so it froze and it expanded, and then when it thawed, it just popped out with all that pressure. And it had quite a geyser coming out this way. So Padma came out to the rescue and stuck a broom in it, like
no,
Mary.
I didn't stick the broom in it.
Oh, someone said. Okay, so the Mary Poppins repair, but Padma did make a little channel out here, and it's going out this way, out to the juniper tree.
Whatever we need to fix it and winterize the rest of them.
Yep, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to winterize these tanks, and so that's a teachable moment. Talk to you soon. Bye.